Hi everybody. So today's video is going to be about this new company that is showing up everywhere on social media. It's on Facebook, it's on Instagram. Many of you might not or haven't seen it yet, but they do have a lot of codes that I will be linking down below. And the name of this company, it's called Langé. And if anybody knows how to pronounce that, please tell me in the comments down below or send me a message or something. I want to know if I'm saying it right. So again, it's L-A-N-G-E, launch, something like that. So I am going to show you all the goodies that came in one purchase, and that was under it was $49. One thing that I got for $49, and for getting that one thing for $49, I got 5 free products, and I will show you right now. This is the box right here. I'm actually very excited to show this because I really like hair products, and I really like curling, straightening my hair, and doing all these different things to my hair. So the reason why I got this, let me see if I can get it out, it's for this one. I'm gonna show you this hair tool. It's called the Lip Pearl, and it is a bubble wand. I was gonna say wobble wand, but it's a bubble wand. So it's pink. Here it is. And this right here is, when it was on sale, I believe, or no, it actually wasn't on sale. It's $49 or $39. I'm not sure, but with shipping and everything I paid was like under $60. So this is the wand, and it doesn't have like where you can adjust the settings and stuff. It just has the little switch like this where you turn it on, you turn it off, simple. And here it is. I was practicing and I was like kind of playing with it, and I really like how my hair turned out. At first you have to practice though, because you have to get your hair in like let me show you. So you have to go like this, okay, and it has to be in between like that, and you just leave it for like 5 seconds, and then it gives you really nice curls. So this is the wand, and it's really soft. It's very soft, feels like velvety. So now when I was going to complete checkout, it said free gift, and that free gift included 5 things. Now it included this microfiber hair wrap, I'm sorry. And like if you are doing your makeup, or if you just got out of the shower and you don't want your hair all over your face, this is what they give you. So it's very soft, and again, it's pink, baby pink, my favorite color, and it has the name right here. Now another thing, I was very excited because, how I said it before, I really love hair products, and I try to take care of my hair a lot because I dye it all the time. And it came with this nourishing gloss that I did add after I curled my hair. And as you can see right here on camera, it does look shiny. It doesn't look very greasy like that, but it looks shiny. Gives you some shine. It also came with this botanical smoothing balm, and it smells delicious. Now this one I did add it to my hair before curling it and everything. So I did grab a little bit, and a little bit goes a long way, so you're not wasting a lot of product. And I just put it all over my hair, and I also added the Rival Heat Shield. It's very important that we use some sort of protectant when we are curling, styling our hair, because it will get damaged. So if you don't use anything on your hair before you curl it and before you style it, your hair will get damaged a little faster than when you don't. I mean, it's still gonna, eventually in the long run, adding any heat to your hair is not very good. So if you have a heat shield, that will protect your hair. Another thing that it came with is the texturing spray. So I really like this one. It also smells really good because I wash my hair every 2 to 3 days, and when I don't, for example, I curled it today. Tomorrow, I'm not gonna wash my hair and I'll leave it like this, and it kind of gets a little bit with more volume, and I will spray this in, and it'll look like if you have like beach waves, not so like dry or not so like perfectly like styled, but it'll just look kind of a little messy and with beach waves. So I haven't used it yet, but that is my idea of what I'm gonna use it and how it will hopefully look. So yes, if you haven't checked out this brand, and let me show you again, it's a Langé. This brand is amazing. So far, how I told you, I tried these and they are absolutely amazing. They leave your hair feeling soft, not greasy at all. I really like it. And everything, it was 6 things in total. 6 things for under $60. That included shipping and everything. I have some coupons and a link that you can follow, or even just go to their website, and they have a lot of hair tools, they have a lot of hair products, they have extensions, they have gloves. Gloves for this one. If you are not used to styling your hair with any type of wand, I would advise you to get some protectant gloves, some for this kind, because when you're going like this and you're wrapping your hair, it gets really hot. And I've been styling my hair for many years, and I still get burnt here and there, but I don't mind it as much because I'm used to it. But those that are not used to styling their hair as much, you need a glove. Believe me, and you will thank me. You will thank me later after you get these, because if you don't know, you will get burnt. So yes, just go and visit this website, and they always have very good deals. They always have different specials going on, and their products are amazing. So yes, thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.